Hello bachcho, the question is the amnion of mammalian embryo is derived from. So the amnion is the extra embryonic membrane. In embryo there are 4 extra embryonic membranes. These are the amnion, allantois, yolk sac and chorion. So it is an extra embryonic membrane which is responsible, means it prevents the desiccation of embryo. So the land animals, means which reproduces on land, they face the problem of desiccation. So to avoid this, in the land vertebrates there is an extra embryonic layer which is known as amnion. This amnion encloses a cavity which is called the amniotic cavity, and this cavity is filled with the amniotic fluid which prevents the desiccation of embryo. Now this amnion of mammalian embryo is derived from. So it is derived from the ectoderm and mesoderm. So let's see how is it formed. So in the embryo there is ectoderm, means there are 3 germ layers. So the ectoderm will form this. So this is the ectoderm. Now this ectoderm is forming the amnion. So this is amniotic cavity and it is filled with the amniotic fluid. So this is ectodermal. Now the endoderm will form the embryonic gut and it will form the other 2 extra embryonic layers, and these 2 extra embryonic layers which are derived from the endoderm. So this is endoderm and it is forming the yolk sac. So this is yolk sac and this is the allantois and this is the embryonic gut. Now the mesoderm, which is the germ layer. So now the mesoderm will cover this, including the yolk sac. So it will cover this like this. So mesoderm will cover it like this and it will also form the extra embryonic coelom. So this is the extra embryonic coelom. Now the trophoblast, it will form, or it will cover the whole embryo and it forms the chorionic villi. So these are the villi. So these are formed by the trophoblast. So this is called the trophoblast or trophoectoderm. So trophoblast, it is forming the next embryonic layer which is called the chorion. So this one is the chorion which is lining the coelom, extra embryonic coelom. Now we can see here that the amnion, this one is amnion. Now this amnion is lined with which of the layers? So on the inner side it is lined with the ectoderm and this is the mesoderm. So it is lined with ectoderm and mesoderm. So the amnion is lined with ectoderm and mesoderm, while yolk sac is lined with endoderm. So this one is endoderm, red one is endoderm, and then it has mesoderm, while allantois is also lined with endoderm and mesoderm, while the chorion is lined with mesoderm and trophoblast. So we have to choose the match with respect to amnion. So this one is the amnion, this one is amnion, it is lined with, this is the ectoderm and this is the mesoderm. So the right answer of this question is option A. I hope this explanation is very clear. All the best.